With great focus, I can control objects with my mind. This is just the beginning of what I can do. Sometimes I have to defend myself and others. My powers are my strongest weapon. Every discovery brings new questions. This artifact holds secrets I'm determined to uncover. Experimenting with my abilities helps me grow stronger. Plus, it's a lot of fun.
Luma AI Dream Machine Video Generator Tutorial. Can it really generate Sora-level videos? Let's find out. First, visit the Luma website. This AI tool offers both text-to-video and image-to-video capabilities. I'll cover both in this tutorial and then compare the videos generated by Luma with those from Sora. To get started, simply click on the Try Now button. Next, sign in using your Google account. The free plan offers 30 video generations per month. Due to high demand, they are temporarily limiting free tiers to 5 generations per day. Here is the interface of the AI tool. Enter your prompt in this section. First, I'll generate a video using a random prompt. Make sure the Prompt Enhance option is checked, then click to generate. Wow, that's wonderful! This is a 5-second video, but you can expand it by clicking here. And there you have it, an 11-second video, which is very impressive. Now, let's explore the image-to-video capability. Upload your image here. Then, type your prompt. In my opinion, it gives the best results with the exact prompt used for generating the uploaded image. That's excellent. I really like that. This is actually a game changer. Let's try another image and... Well, that's really good. Both the image-to-video and text-to-video features are impressive. Let's compare Sora with Luma and see the results. Now, let's try using a prompt from a Sora video. I'm going to copy and paste it, enabling Prompt Enhance to achieve the best results. Okay, let's create. Very impressive. Now, the video of Sora with the same prompt. I like it. I really like it. No further commentary needed. Just enjoy and compare the results. Please share your preference in the comments. Is Luma comparable to Sora? Thank you for staying with me until the end of the video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI tool reviews and tutorials. See you in the next video.